business leader is Mukesh Dhirubhai Ambani. His age is 64. He was born in 18 April 1957 in the British town colony of Aden. Present day, that place was called Yemen. His father name is Dhirubhai Ambani. His mother name is Kokilabet Ambani. He has a younger brother Anil Ambani and two sisters Neena Bhattacharya Kothari and Dipti Dattara Salgaonkar. Mukesh Dhirubhai Ambani is an Indian billionaire businessman and the chairman and the managing director of Reliance Industries Limited. According to Forbes, he is the richest person in Asia with a net worth of $93.9 billion. Now he is the 11th richest person in the world. His education: Ambani school life, Hillgrants High School in Mumbai with his brother and Anand Jain. Anand Jain is his executive. He is chairman of Jain Corporation Limited. After his secondary school age, he studied at Xavier College, Mumbai. He finished the BE degree in Chemical Engineering from the Institute of Chemical Technology. Ambani latest qualified MBA at Stanford University. Ambani said he was influenced by his teachers William F. Sharp and Mohan Sharma because they are the kind of professors who made you think out of box. His career: in 1981, he started to help his father Dhirubhai Ambani run their family business Reliance Industries Limited. By this time, it had already expanded so that it also dealt in refining and petrochemicals. The business also included products and services in retail and the telecommunication industries. Reliance Retail Limited is the largest retail in India. Reliance Jio has earned the top 5 spot in the country's telecommunication services since its public launch on 5th September 2016. As of 2016, Ambani was ranked 35th and has consistently held the title of India's richest person on Forbes magazine's list for the past 10 years. He is only Indian businessman of Forbes list of the world's powerful people. His major works: his vision resulted in the formation of the world's largest grassroots petroleum refinery at Jamnagar, India. The refinery integrated with the petrochemicals, power generation, port and related infrastructure. One of his most notable work is the establishment of Reliance Communication Limited, one of the largest complex information and communication technology integrates in the world. His company Reliance Jio Infocom Limited became one of the pioneers in bringing the 4G network to India. The company also provides free Wi-Fi hotspot services which have been set up across cities all over India. His achievements: in 2000, Ernest and the Youngest Entrepreneur of the Year award received by the Ernest and Young India. In 2010, he was named the Business Leader of the Year by the NTD India. In 2010, Businessman of the Year award received by the Financial Chronicle Organization. In 2014, he received the World's Communication Award for the most influential person in telecommunication. In 2016, Hawker Gold Medal Award won in Chemical Heritage Foundation. In 2016, Foreign Associate US National Academy of the Engineering won in National Academy of Engineering. He was honored with the Asia Society Leadership Award by the Asia Society Washington DC ESA. He won the ET Business Leader Award in 2017 for corporate excellency. He was also ranked among the Fortune magazine's 50 greatest leaders of 2018. Now I talk about his milestones. Mukesh Ambani is a league of his own when it comes to growing as a business tycoon. The Reliance Industries magnate has been steadily climbing the success leader on various other fronts, and here are 5 such reasons Mukesh Ambani's milestones you may have missed. I elaborate his milestones. Among 10 millionaires of Fortune Global list. In February last year, Mukesh Ambani became the first Indian to join the top 10 millionaires on the Fortune Global Rich list, competing against 2,470 millionaires having a net worth of $4 million US. Number 2. Became one of the 6th oil giants in the world. Just a few years ago, in November 2020, Mukesh Ambani and Reliance Industries made a spot as the 6th largest oil company in the world. Reliance managed to overtake its oil and gas company to claim the 6th position, while the ExxonMobil Corporation topped the list. It was no small feat for Reliance Industries to join in the elite club of energy super majors. Third point, became Asia's richest gainer. December 2019 came bearing even greater news when Mukesh Ambani was declared Asia's highest gainer after the Bloomberg Billionaires Index shared that Mukesh Ambani managed to add 17 billion in his fortune in 2019 alone, with that his net worth touched 61 billion. Fourth point, broke global records with the launch of Reliance Jio. After Reliance was launched on 2016 with the 1 year of operation, it made and broke various records in India across the globe. With more than 130 million subscribers within the very first year, it touched new heights in the telecom sector. As Mukesh Ambani rightly says, one of his biggest obsessions is that senior people must give bright 24-year-olds the opportunities of contribute meaningfully. Mukesh Ambani, after recalling the opportunities, began received as a young man. Thank you. I enjoyed this session. I was more learned activities in this session. Thank you, sir. Have a